Game of words. This is my final project, revised final project. So you're gonna start off with the welcome page. This is the welcome page is where the users are gonna read the instructions, choose whether to play the game or don't play the game, right? Um, and those who choose to exit the game will just exit the game, and then those who choose to play the game will then be prompted to enter some data. So the data entry. So the first data entry will be the input, the number of players, the length of the word, and the number of guesses allowed. In my game, there's going to be a max of 2 players, and the words have to be the same length. Um, Player one then inputs their name and their word, and then player two does the same to input their name and their word. The words must be inputted in all caps. In the games I designed, the words have to be inputted in all caps. And then we get to the game. So the players then choose how they want the game to be played. Um, Either they could choose algorithm one or either algorithm two. Algorithm one is a limited amount of attempts to guess a player's word with letters. And algorithm two is attempting to guess the entire word right away. Then the players input whose word is being guessed and who is guessing the word. That way they keep track of like whose turn it is. Um, and then players start guessing the letters and words. System records each guess, and the players switch after each guess. So the game ends. So once a word has been guessed, um, a prompt shows up saying that who won the game, and that's when you know the game's over. And then the game records the total number of guesses, the winning word, and who won the word and who won the game on the report page. And players can come back and play as many times as they want. So now I'm going to run you through what the what the game will look like. What the game looks like. So here it is, game of words, right? This is the welcome page. This is where you start off of. This is the logo, just like a little Scrabble kind of word. Don't go right here, but yeah, this is the welcome page. Press start. You're greeted with the instructions. Welcome to the game of words. 2 players maximum. Each player tries to guess the other's word. Algorithm 1 lets you guess letters and limit the guesses, while Algorithm 2 lets you attempt to guess the whole word. Remember to input your word in all caps, and don't forget to have fun. Right? This is where we start the game. So this is the data entry. You get the total number of guesses, length of the word, and the total number of players. Um, so you can enter from 100, you can enter 50, right? I'll just keep it simple for this example. I'll just do a number total of 1 guess. Um, Length of word, I'll keep it simple. We can do 4-letter words. And total number of players, as I said before, maximum number is 2. So this is the data. You submit that. Now you enter the names, right? This is player 1. We'll call him Steve. Hit OK. The player 1's word. Let's keep it simple. Player 1's word will be 4-letter words. Let's go with play. And remember how I said make sure to enter your words in all caps. Okay. This is player 2. Player's name, let's call him Tom. And player 2's word, let's have his word be, Steve's word was play. Let's have Tom's word be stay. All right. Then we hit OK. See, then you get a confirmation, data was submitted successfully. Okay. Now you get to the gameplay, right? So you choose the game mode. We're gonna go with let's go algorithm 1, which is letter guessing, or algorithm 2, which is the word, guess the whole word. We'll choose algorithm 2, and whose word is being guessed. So this is where you keep track of whose turn it is. Since Steve was first, Steve will be going first. So he's gonna try to guess Tom's word. So he's gonna try to guess players 2, and Steve is player 1. And then this is for you guessing the letter if you're doing algorithm 1, or you want to guess the word with algorithm 2. We'll go with algorithm 2. And you have one guess, right? But that's for the letter guessing. So with the word guessing, you get unlimited. So since we chose Steve, sorry, I'm trying to remember what his word was. Oh yeah, his word was stay, I believe. That was the word that we chose for Tom. Submit. And yeah, it was. Congratulations, Steve guessed the word. Then you hit OK. Game report saved successfully, and OK. And then you choose to exit the game, and that's how you exit the game, right? So here's the game report, right? Winner is Steve. Winning word play. Total players 2. Total guesses 1, right? And we can run through the game how many times we want. We can go through again. Instructions, start game. Total number guesses 1. Length of word 4. Total number players 2, right? Submit data. Let's have Tom go. Let's have Tom go first, right? Okay. And let's have Steve go second. And Tom's word can be loss. And let's have Steve go second. And let's have Steve's word be game. Okay. It's successfully, right? Let's try algorithm 2 again. Word guess. Let's say Tom's going first. He's gonna try to guess Steve's word of game. Whose word being guessed? Player 2's word being guessed, and the guessing player is player 1. We submit. Congratulations, Tom guessed the word. Tom wins the game. Game report saved successfully. So after this, you can exit the game, or you can play again if you want, but you can exit the game here. And then you see winner Tom, winning word loss. That's the word Tom chose is loss. That's why it's the winning word. Total players 2, total guesses 1. And yeah, that's the game. That's the project, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.